Hello and welcome everyone to the week ahead commodity report, where we of course will be reviewing the markets for the week ahead. Now of course there's no question that 2024 that will go down in history as one of the most profitable years ever for commodity traders. Cocoa was hands down the number one performing commodity of 2024, outperforming every other commodity out there with a gain of 172% in the past year, reaching new all-time record highs of 13,000 per metric ton in the month of December. In second place was coffee, with prices surging to their highest level in over 52 years, tallying up a whopping gain of 79%, followed closely behind by orange juice, uranium, and natural gas, which saw prices more than triple in the past 12 months. And last but definitely not least was, of course, gold. This precious metal continued its unstoppable run higher, scaling to all new record highs for a fifth consecutive quarter in a row. Gold has been on a parabolic run since October of 2023, rallying from the 1,800 US dollar per ounce level to score consecutive back-to-back all-time record highs, not once, not twice, but on 39 separate occasions in 2024. Gold's record-breaking run has been nothing short of impressive. Never before in history have we seen the precious metal score multiple all-time record highs in such a short period of time. Collectively, the commodity markets did not just make new highs in 2024, but skyrocketed higher as sentiment continued to turn increasingly more bullish. That's a telltale sign that rally is just getting started and the bullish momentum is set to continue into 2025. Interestingly, it's well documented that since the start of 2021 at the Gold and Silver Club, we predicted the beginning of a new super cycle in commodities and hot listed the entire sector as the one to watch over the next decade. Fast forward 4 years on, it goes without saying the commodity super cycle that is showing no signs of slowing down anytime soon. Traders that saw the opportunity and took action have accumulated life-changing wealth. To put that in perspective, 2024 was the Gold and Silver Club's biggest and most profitable year in our 15-year history. The majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club banked in excess of 6, 7, and 8-figure returns last year, making more money than ever before. Here are just some of the testimonials which have been flooding in from our clients, sharing their successes and achievements. Is the commodity supercycle over? Has all the money been made? Not by a long shot. According to Goldman Sachs, the macroeconomic backdrop for commodities in 2025, it is looking more bullish than ever before. In a note to their clients, the bank analyst wrote the setup for commodities in 2025 is more bullish than it's ever been. The Wall Street Bank concluded by reconfirming their view we're still on the first inning of a multi-year, potentially decade-long commodity supercycle, and they're certainly not alone. Right now, we see more and more of the world's most powerful Wall Street banks releasing their 2025 forecast with extremely bullish calls for commodity prices to hit all new, fresh record highs in the years ahead, fueled by a multitude of macroeconomic factors. This, of course, includes persistent geopolitical risks, with 2 major wars currently ongoing in Europe and the Middle East. We have growing instability in China's economy, which has forced Beijing to launch its most aggressive economic stimulus package since the 2008 global financial crisis. We have continued gold purchases from central banks around the world, more specifically from the BRICS nations, as they look to rapidly diversify away from the greenback to prevent the US using the dollar as a political weapon. We have ballooning global debt, uncontrollable government borrowing, which currently sits at a record 322.9 trillion. That's the equivalent of almost 340% of global GDP, and it increases day by day. And perhaps the most bullish catalyst of all, that is Donald Trump's return to the White House later on this month with his fiery and chaotic brand of America First policies, including higher tariffs, increased government spending, massive tax cuts, and aggressive global trade wars. Whilst President-elect Donald Trump has made no secret of his intention in the second term, which remains less clear as to how exactly the US is going to pay for the disruptive policies over the next 4 years without igniting a second wave of inflation. The reality is, whatever President-elect Donald Trump announces, that will increase debt. It will lead to a weaker dollar and increased inflation, which is ultimately going to be bullish for commodities. Whichever way you look at it, one thing is very clear. All of these macro and geopolitical events that are currently unfolding, they are guaranteed to be a license to print money, drive market sentiment throughout 2025, which traders will definitely not want to miss out on. If history is anything to go by, the stage is almost certainly set for commodity prices to hit new record highs throughout 2025 and score another blockbuster year for a fifth consecutive year running. Extraordinary times, they do create extraordinary opportunities. Right now, as traders, we are living in some of the most exciting and rewarding times ever. Whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through trading, whether that is create a full-time income, a second replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, now is the time to take action to give yourself the gift of a better 2025. Right now, you have an opportunity to make 2025 your biggest and best year yet, which, based on our research, it is going to be another record-breaking year due to all the current macroeconomic events that are currently unfolding. It's times like these they create millionaires and billionaires out of regular people. Definitely do not underestimate what you can achieve in the next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even 12 months from now. Your future, it is determined by the choices you make today. You can either make 2024 your best year ever, or just another year. You have an opportunity right now to change the course of your entire life and unlock the door to a better financial future. Here at the Gold and Silver Club, we're consistently banking over 10,000 points profit per month, which we have transparently documented throughout our weekly videos. If you're trading at one lot, that's $100,000. If you're trading at 10 lots, that's $1 million. As you can see from our testimonials, the majority of our clients at the Gold and Silver Club are utilizing our proprietary research-driven trading approach. They are comfortably making in excess of 6, 7, and 8-figure annual returns. Go to jointhegoldandsilverclub.com now. The link is also below this report in the description. There you can learn how our mentorship program can take your trading to the next level. Investing in yourself, it is the best investment you will ever make. Make investing in yourself a priority because nobody else is going to do that for you. So with that, let's move over to the charts. We'll talk you through exactly what we're looking at here as we go into a new week and what we're currently doing in our active portfolio and how we've rotated profits over the Christmas period. Number one, gold, of course. As you know, we built into a dozen trades on this market back at the swing lows throughout the month of November, caught a windfall amount of profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, banking over 10,000 points profit just within the matter of 2 weeks, with gold having its fastest move over 2 years here, the largest 2-week impulse move higher that we've seen in gold since 2022, which we caught with our clients and documented every single step of the way of that trade to you over the month of November. So what have we done over December? Very simply, we have rotated profits into platinum and palladium and taken huge opportunities here with this massive sell-off here to build into multiple positions. In fact, we've had more than a dozen trades which have been executed on platinum here, back at the swing lows. Absolutely beautiful drive below the prior lows here over the month of December, giving us a huge opportunity to stack multiple trades. Every single platinum trade that we have on the portfolio is currently in profit. In fact, just in the new year here, so since 2025 already, we've already taken the opportunity to bank 7 trades so far. We've already seen a massive breakout just within the last few days here, breaking out over 500 points to the upside on platinum. We telegraphed platinum to you multiple times before. Huge opportunity if we do get a break back down towards the price swing lows. You can see here we've yet again come back down, retested liquidity here, broke all the way down to $906 per ounce, the lows from September and also August of last year. You've grabbed all of the liquidity here over December, taken out the retail stops just below the price swing lows to only send it even higher here, breaking out to $960 per ounce just on the 6th of January. Essentially, yes, I'm expecting higher prices here for platinum, not only for this market, but also palladium too. We've taken the opportunity on yet another retest back down towards the swing lows, $900 per ounce. Down at these levels, you can see at the moment, we've had another nice breakout to start off the year in 2025 so far. Massive opportunities on both of these markets. Very simply, we've rotated profits out of gold into platinum and palladium. Even silver It is a laggard here at the moment, right? So silver, very much like gold, not really getting that momentum at the moment. You've got core positions on from lower prices, but all the action at the moment, it is of course on those platinum and palladium positions where we've stacked into multiple trades here with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. As discussed, every single position that we've got on platinum with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, every single one of those trades is in profit. Lastly, we maintain our core position on oil, which is moving very well. We've got 2 trades on this market. We're almost on the verge of breaking out to 75 US dollars per barrel. And of course, whatever long-term goal you are looking to achieve through trading, whether that is to create a full-time income, a second replacement income, or just to earn a better return on your savings, now is the time to take action. If you want to maximize your money-making potential and thrive, not just survive in these fast-moving markets, you need to adapt your strategy to the current market conditions. Most importantly, utilize a professional, research-driven, and artificial intelligence-powered approach. One of the biggest obstacles that holds back 99% of retail traders from achieving their desired success is not having access to the correct professional strategies, institutional level data, and cutting edge artificial intelligence insights to make confident decisions with accuracy and precision. There's a massive gap between the top 1% of professional traders and the bottom 99% of misguided retail traders who simply rely on outdated technical analysis, gimmicky technical indicators, which, as you know, they do not work in these markets. If you want to get yourself out of that bottom 99% into the top 1% who are actually crushing it and making 6, 7, and 8-figure returns in these markets right now, then you need to utilize a professional, artificial intelligence driven approach, or you'll just end up wasting lots of time, money, and effort. You'll have no results to show for all of your hard work. In these rapidly changing markets, you need to be constantly innovating and evolving. Technical analysis, outdated technical indicators, they won't work. Those days, they're long gone. If that's all you're relying on, the odds are already stacked up massively against you. If you want to change your results, you have to change your thinking. If you want to learn our exclusive, data-driven, and artificial intelligence-powered approach that is never taught to retail traders, only reserved for professional traders in the banks and hedge funds with access to powerful game-changing insights, including where the banks and hedge funds, where they're buying and selling in real time. Further compound that with the key liquidity zones so you can enter and exit the markets with pinpoint precision, alongside the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, the capital flows, the daily, weekly, and monthly, quarterly, real-time, data-driven cycles, and intermarket correlations. Then you need to join our mentorship program. Right now, we are in one of the greatest eras of wealth creation that we have seen. If you want to successfully capitalize on the huge money-making opportunities, build significant life-changing wealth, there's no better time than now. If you want to upgrade your income, you have to upgrade your skills. Never underestimate what you can achieve in the next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or even 12 months from now with the right guidance and mentorship. Time, it is the most valuable commodity that we have. Make sure that you don't waste it. If you want to join our community of successful traders, take your trading to the next level, there is an opportunity for you to do so. As a member, you get access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You get access to real-time trade ideas, access to institutional research and market intelligence, access to our private Members Academy website, and also support and one-to-one mentoring. For more information, just go to jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below this report in the description, so just click on the link, make an application. We will get in touch ASAP.